So ladies and gentlemen, welcome to this a little bit different video. As you can see, I have written down this whole framework that I've used personally to launch my online course business and scale my online course business from zero to more than $15,000 in the year of 2023. Again, with zero followers and zero initial investment. And keep in mind that what we're going to be analyzing in this video is exactly what I teach on my one-on-one coaching calls and coaching program that I offer. So pay close attention to this video and you can save perhaps thousands and thousands of dollars, because people really hire me as a coach to teach them exactly what I'm going to teach you in this video. If you find value in this video and you think that you want to embark in this journey to start creating online courses and taking your knowledge, your potentially multi-million dollar knowledge from your head again to online courses, to upload them, to start monetizing again your knowledge, you can book a call from the first link in the description, and I would be glad to talk with you on a one-on-one basis and coach you on how to implement the stuff that we're going to be analyzing in this lesson right here. So enough with the introduction. Welcome to this framework analysis of my online course creation strategic model. So what do we see here? This, ladies and gentlemen, is the whole framework. This is what I use. This is implemented and integrated in my brain. And this is everything I follow, all of the steps that I've took to get me to the position that I am right now. So let me guide you through this model. Let me guide you through this framework. Everything, ladies and gentlemen, starts with a transformative experience, all right? If you will, a transformative experience. Everyone has undergone a transformative experience, all right? There are many different transformative experiences that you can potentially undergo. For example, the transformative experience to become a heart surgeon, right, lasts about 12 years, right? So this is a huge transformative experience. But nevertheless, it is a transformative experience. The transformative experience of learning how to edit, right? You getting from point A, which is a person that doesn't know how to edit, to point B, which is a person that knows how to edit, lasts about 1 year. For example, the transformative experience of studying for your exams or figuring out a new framework to study for your exams lasts about a month, let's say. So again, to get from point A, which is a person that doesn't know exactly how to study for his exams, to point B, which is a person that knows exactly how to study and has developed this framework for studying, if you will, okay, lasts about a month. This is a transformative experience. So again, in order to start this online course creation business, I want you to understand, first of all, that everyone has underwent transformative experiences. A transformative experience is something that takes you from point A to point B. This is a transformative experience. And if you have underwent a transformative experience, there are thousands, if not millions, of people that want to undergo the exact same transformative experience as you. I want you to remember that you are not that unique. You're not that unique, okay? There are thousands, if not millions, of people that want to be in the exact same spot that you are right now, and this is why we are here to teach them with our courses. Okay, so the first thing that we need to figure out is, what is your transformative experience? What are the people, right, your target audience, if you will, the people that you want to serve? Next, we move to a way to communicate this transformative experience of yours. There are many ways to communicate transformative experiences, all right? First of all, we can write. You can create a PDF document, you can create a book, all right? Storytelling is a way to communicate your transformative experience through YouTube videos, through podcasts, through lectures, right? All of these are ways to communicate transformative experiences. The highest leveraged ways to communicate a transformative experience is through video and screen recordings. Why are these two ways to communicate transformative experience extremely leveraged? Because they can be recreated and distributed to millions and millions of people as we sleep through the unlimited leverage that is provided from the internet. That being said, writing and storytelling can also be distributed to millions and millions of people through the internet. For example, you can write posts on Twitter. You can, again, have podcasts regarding storytelling on YouTube. But again, we're going to be focusing on video and screen recordings for our courses. So what happens, right, when we've got a transformative experience and a way to communicate this transformative experience? Then, ladies and gentlemen, we provide educational value, all right? And in the world of business, in the world of entrepreneurship, value directly corresponds to, of course, income. People want our value and they're willing to exchange the value that we are able to provide with money. Okay, now another point that I want to make into a way to communicate your transformative experience. Why people are afraid to create courses. The first limiting belief that they have is that I don't know how to use a camera. I don't have a camera. I don't want to spend thousands and thousands of dollars buying a camera in order to communicate my transformative experience. This is a huge limiting belief because, again, most of the online courses are just screen recordings of computer screens. All right, so if you have a computer, there's absolutely no reason for you not to create online courses. The second biggest limiting belief that people have regarding online course creation, why they don't start creating online courses, is that they think that they're not qualified enough to teach a subject, which is also extremely false. Because again, we've all been through transformative experiences. You don't need to become a heart surgeon to teach a course. You can just know how to edit, or perhaps you have a framework regarding studying, right, that you want to share with the world. It's not that deep. If you're literally one step ahead of someone, you can teach him, all right? It's that simple. Let's say, for example, skateboarding, right? Would it be more valuable for a beginner skateboarder to be taught how to ollie, which is this basic trick of hopping, above things, from Tony Hawk, or from someone that has just learned how to ollie and has just perfected ollie, again, this skateboarding trick, like a month ago? I mean, obviously, Tony Hawk can provide value, but this person that has just perfected ollie knows exactly and has like this fresh memory of what are the problems, what are the limitations, and can provide more immediate feedback than Tony Hawk, who learned how to ollie like 40 years ago. Do you know what I'm saying? So trust me that everyone has underwent a transformative experience, and everyone can communicate this transformative experience through a highly leveraged way, which is video. So then we produce educational value. Congratulations, you are valuable, you can enter the market, all right? But educational value alone, first of all, isn't leveraged. Second of all, doesn't produce money. So how can we take this educational value that we all intrinsically have in our brains and start monetizing it? Well, we need to package this educational value, and we need some enhancements to package this educational value. So we take this educational value, right, and we cover it with a relevant topic. For example, let's say that you're an editor, right? Right now, we know that short form content is booming. It's very hot. All right, so let's say that you're a CapCut editor. So we're creating a course on CapCut. You have screen recorded your knowledge from a course in CapCut, and you create a relevant topic. For example, teaching short form content video editing in CapCut using artificial intelligence. This could be, for example, a very hot topic for online courses. So we choose a relevant topic that obviously adheres to our target audience and our target avatar. Then we shoot an amazing introductory video which sells the course to people after we, of course, have created the whole content. A great thumbnail. We search engine optimize the title, the descriptions, the tags of our course, and we have not just educational value, but packaged educational value in the form of this online course asset. All right, and this is a video asset. As simple as that. We've taken a transformative experience that you have underwent, right? A way to communicate this transformative experience, and through personalized coaching, after brainstorming again with what is your transformative experience and how we're going to communicate your transformative experience with the world, we have packaged your knowledge, right? We have taken the knowledge out of your brain and created this online course asset. Once you have created this online course asset, and once this online course asset is structured in a correct way, in a monetizable way, it is extremely profitable. Why? Because those online course assets are highly leveraged by the unlimited controlled leverage that the internet provides us completely for free. We can literally be sleeping, our online courses will be selling by themselves. We could be on vacation, we can be working on more courses. Our current assets will be selling by themselves. Right? For example, me personally, I have more than 20 online courses. I uploaded my latest online course like 2 days ago. It was my 20th online course. As we speak, I might be working, I might be shooting a YouTube video, I might be at the hospital, I might be studying for med school. Those 20 assets that I have created are selling by themselves. So what happens when we produce an online course asset? We got three ways, three destinations, if you will, that we can monetize pretty much those online course assets. Let's start with the first one. The first one is uploading this online course asset in online course marketplaces. All right. This is what I mean. The destinations of those online course assets, those three destinations, depend on your level of expertise, first of all, and how good you are in producing online courses. Okay, they all have upsides and downsides, and we're going to be analyzing them in this video right here so you know what to expect. If you're a complete beginner and you have no capital to invest, no followers, right, and no experience regarding running ads and social media marketing, uploading your courses in online course marketplaces is, in my opinion, the fastest way to earn money online in 2023 and 2024. Why? Because first of all, we've got no risk. So your capital is not at risk. You're not going to invest a single dime out of your pocket. We do not need to market our courses once they're uploaded into online course marketplaces, right? This can be Udemy, this can be Skillshare, this can be Coursera, this can be LinkedIn courses. We do not need a website because our courses are going to be uploaded in their website. Okay, but we won't have full control of our courses. For example, we can't directly select the pricing of our courses. On Udemy, you can select the pricing, but you can't price your course, for example, at $1,000. You have a cap at $199. And Udemy, Skillshare, and other online course marketplaces take huge commissions in the sales. That being said, they take full commission, all right, on the sales that they generate. That being said, this isn't exactly a bad attribute to the fact that they want to create sales. Just because Udemy takes commission and Skillshare takes commission of the sales of your online course means that they want your courses to be selling, because both of you are going to be generating more money. And this is an absolutely bulletproof way to start monetizing your online course assets. Now, if you are a bit more advanced, you can upgrade into hosting the online courses in your own websites. All right, and this is risky. Your capital is at risk. You might lose money when you host your online course in your own website. All right, this is why personally, as a coach, I advise people to first start generating income from online course marketplaces, and trust me, you will start generating income very fastly. From the first month, you will see money coming in, and this is very, very cool, and people are just feeling amazing. My students feel amazing when they see money coming in from the first month after they've created courses, right? And then after you've saved some of that money, we can reinvest them back into the business by hosting your course in your own website. All right, online course hosting websites could be Kajabi, Coursera, Skill Success, Teachable. Okay, so what do we have here? Those websites take very small commission, right? So you won't bother with the commission. They're extremely small, something like 1%, and you have huge profit margins because you can pretty much price your course as high as you want, $1,000, $10,000, no problem. That being said, we are at risk because first of all, we need our website. We need to pay for a domain. We need to know how to create landing pages, checkout pages, all that stuff, funnels, email marketing. So probably you're going to need to partner up with a marketer if you want this thing to work. And on top of that, you're going to need to be running ads. So Facebook ads, Google ads, YouTube ads, in general, Meta ads work perfectly for online courses. And this is why we have risk, but in general, the profit margins are higher. This is, if you will, step 2 of online course creation, right? Hosting our courses in our own websites. This is to give you some personal details about myself. This is where I am trying to transition right now, right? I have generated a decent amount of money from online course marketplaces. I have become an expert in online course marketplaces. I know the problems. I know the solutions of those problems. I have done every single mistake possible in online course marketplaces, and now I'm trying to transition into hosting my own courses in my own website, right? Which will be coming soon, so stay tuned. There is actually a third way to monetize our courses, all right? And this could be the best of both worlds, all right? And this is to sell your courses directly. Now, this has happened to me twice, where a company actually reached out to me and asked me to create a course specifically for them. It's very simple. You have no risk. You're not going to be losing money, obviously. If something, you're going to be generating money. Your capital is not at risk, and you're going to be actually making a big amount of money, but in the short run. So you just get paid once. You create the course. You create a 2-hour course, for example. You agree on a price with them. So I'm going to take like I'm gonna ask for $2,000 for this course. It's gonna be a 2-hour course. Great, they give you the money, that's it. But the problem is that it is not leveraged. It is not exactly an asset anymore. It's not gonna be generating passive income, all right? It is a one-time thing. Your time won't be leveraged. Here, all right, in the case of an online course hosting website and in online course marketplaces, your time will be leveraged, all right, which means that the internet will play its role. You're going to enter this fast lane of income generation through the internet, and you're going to be making money in the long run, right? Keep in mind that selling your courses directly isn't that common just because there isn't that huge demand of courses. You need to have connections. You need to know people inside companies to do so. All right, so those, ladies and gentlemen, are the 3 ways to monetize your course assets right now. And again, if you're a complete beginner just starting out, if you want to work with me, I usually advise my students to go with online course marketplaces. Again, this is by far the easiest way to start generating money online. All you need to do is take a transformative experience that you have underwent, which is extremely easy to brainstorm. And trust me, if you choose the correct transformative experience with the correct way to communicate this transformative experience, which is just basic video knowledge and basic screen recording knowledge, then this is the part in which I will do my magic. All right, as a coach, I will guide you through every single step into taking this potentially multi-million-dollar knowledge that you have in your brain, all right, communicate it, package it in a very valuable way, and then we just create those assets and we monetize them from years to come, and months and months and months and years. All right, so I hope that you found this video valuable. If you did so, make sure to check out the links below in the description and subscribe to this channel for more, and I'm gonna see you in the next video.